The lush greens of Mangalore. Every time I come back to my hometown, the air itself feels different. Mangalore, with its rich agricultural heritage, is adorned with sprawling arecanut farms that extend as far as the eye can see. Today, I am not just breathing in fresh air, I am soaking in the sunshine and family vibes as we cook up Bengan ka bharta, or as we call it here, Badane da Gujju. See these beauties? These brinjals are picked fresh this morning. We'll roast them over charcoal, letting the smoke kiss their skin. But first, let's wash them all nicely. I am just a mere spectator today. The chef in action is my cousin sister with direction and assistance from my Jiju. We have around 6 big-sized purple-colored brinjals along with 5 onions, 6 tomatoes and around 5 to 6 chilies. That's my sister wiping them all really well. Now we'll make some deep cuts into the brinjals and stuff some peeled garlics into them. You can stuff 5 to 6 garlics in each brinjals. We don't always have the chance to cook over a wood fire in the city, so whenever I'm in my hometown, we make the most of the opportunity to savor the unique flavors it imparts to our dishes. Bengan bharta cooked over a wood fire and one made on a gas stove showcase a remarkable difference in taste profiles. You can also stuff the bengans like this. You can also add some green chilies into the slit. Now the next step is coating the brinjals with oil. We are using coconut oil here, you can use mustard oil too. Make sure you put the oil in the deep slits made in the bengan. Here's a glimpse of my kids joyfully playing and relishing the fresh air far from the city alongside their cousin sister. Hi Manpule.
Hi Manpule. Hi Manpule. Hi Manpule. I need to koppu jere.
Okay, now we are going to place the oiled brinjals in the fire. We have used some wood and coconut shells to make the fire. The goal is to get the brinjals completely charred from the outside. Hence we'll cover the brinjal on the top as well with the burning coconut shells and let it get charred faster. Now when it looks completely charred, we'll take it off the flame. We are trying another technique here to char the brinjals by placing a rack and then placing the brinjals on top of that. But since we did not have a lot of fire underneath, so it was taking a lot of time and it was getting dark, thus making it difficult for me to shoot. So we decided to take it off and put it in direct fire. Now once you see the brinjal is completely charred, take it off. It smells divine. Now peel the skin off. Similarly, we are going to smoke the onions and the tomatoes for that extra smoky flavor in the dish. Now my kids are eager to lend a hand and be of some help here. Peel the tomatoes too. Chop them all really well. You can even mash everything with your hands or using a mortar and pestle. We will be making a masala powder out of 5 to 6 Byadgi red chilies or Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Now we'll start making the bharta in a clay pot. Adding some coconut oil to start with. We Mangaloreans use coconut oil for almost all our recipes.
Okay.
Next, adding a few garam masalas. Add some garlic and the chilies that we have used to stuff the bengan. Add the onions that we had smoked. Add some crushed ginger. Add a teaspoon of turmeric and the masala powder that we had prepared. Now add the chopped smoked tomatoes. In the end, add the chilies and the smoked brinjals or the eggplants or the badanekai. Add salt as per taste. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes, then it's done. As daylight faded, capturing the essence of this cooking journey became a collaborative effort. With one holding the light and another cooking, it took an entire village for me to finish shooting. But the ultimate outcome was entirely worth the effort. The dish might look very humble in its appearance, but it's packed with flavor. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.